my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be going over my September 2021 monthly budget, and I am using a B5 sized notebook that I got from Jet Pens, and the stickers that you see here I just made myself. So let's get into it. In September, I do expect to bring in 4 paychecks. So I'm just gonna write check 1, check 2, check 3, check 4. And I do expect that each of these paychecks will be around $2,200. So I'm expecting to bring in $8,800. And this is without working any overtime shifts, which I may end up doing just depending on my schedule. So let's do the fixed expenses first. My first one is my mortgage, and that is $800. If you guys wondered why my mortgage is exactly $800, I set up auto pay, and my actual due amount is like $777. So I just wanted the number to be like an even number, so I set up my auto pay to always be $800. So I am paying like an extra $23 every month towards my mortgage, which is like not very significant, but it just makes my budget a lot cleaner looking, and the numbers are just easier to add up. So that's why my mortgage is $800 even. My internet is $70. My phone is $78. My common bond student loan is $200. And then my SPC subscription is $33. This pen is like skipping again. I had a problem with it in my last video too. My Netflix is $14. HP ink, which is how I print these stickers out. I have an HP ink subscription. That's only $5. Spotify is $13. Then my security system for my permanent residence is $25. And then I do pay someone to check on my house while I am on my travel assignment, so that is $200. And then I also pay for lawn service at my permanent residence. That is $80. So I'm going to go ahead and add all this up. So the total for my fixed expenses was $1,518. And let's move over to the variable expenses. And these are expenses that tend to vary every month. So I have a section for budgeted and then actual. So the first variable expense is electric, and this is for my permanent residence. Just going from like last month what the bill was, I'm budgeting $50. All right, then for my water bill, which also includes trash pickup, that I'm budgeting $60. And for my travel housing while I'm on my assignment for work, I'm budgeting a lower amount because they should stop charging me taxes on my housing. So instead of budgeting $2,500, I'm budgeting $2,200. And I'm hoping I'm pretty close with this number, but we'll have to see when they actually are billing me what they're billing me for. Let's see, next is groceries. I'm budgeting $500 for that. For gas, I'm budgeting $100. For personal, I'm budgeting $300, and this is just for like whatever. Then sinking funds, as you saw in my last video, the total of the sinking funds were $1,190. And then as far as debt, also in my previous video, I did say that I wanted to put $500 towards my debt. And then as far as my Roth, I do want to move over $1,500 for that. I am trying to max it out before the end of the year, so I am being a little more aggressive with moving money to my Roth versus debt payment. And probably next year, like starting in January, I will be more aggressive with the debt, as well as like making sure I'm moving over enough into my Roth during the year. And any dollar that's left over is going to go towards my savings. I have finished my 3-month emergency fund. I do want to go ahead and build up to a 4-month emergency fund because I already know I will not be working for December. So I want to just go ahead and have 4 months. So we're going to have to total all this up without the savings, add it to my fixed expenses, and see what is remaining from this $8,800. So let's get this calculator out. We're going to add everything up. Alright, so that totals out to $6,400. So I'm just writing that number down so that I don't forget it in like a minute when I have to use it. So let's add $1,518 to that, and we get $79.18. So we're going to take $79.18 out of $8,800. So I wrote that number down. $8,800 minus $7,918 leaves us with $882. And like I said, I might pick up like an extra shift, maybe 2 extra shifts during September. Maybe we'll see. But my contract is only for 36 hours, so I'm not required to do any extra days. And even if I don't do any extra days, I'm still going to be making some progress towards my goals. So we will see what I end up doing. So I just wrote the $79.18 over here because that is what all of this adds up to, and then this side adds up to $15.18. So that does mean that every dollar that I'm expected to receive has been assigned a job. Obviously, if I for some reason make less than this, then some of these may need to get adjusted. If I were to make more than this, then same thing. I could either put more towards my savings or more towards my debt, just depending on what I want to do. But this is my current plan for all of the income I expect to receive in September. And then this bottom section I'll fill out at the end of the month. I can write these in, like income, savings, invest, debt, and expenses. So that way at the end of the month I can like at a quick glance just see how the month went. So that is it for my September monthly budget. Keep watching. In the next week or so you should see my breakdown of every paycheck, so keep an eye out for that video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, as well as subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!